Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Now we will learn a new poem, The Sheep. The poem was written by Anne and Jen Taylor. Here they are given some warm up questions. The topic is simile. You know what is simile? A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things using words such as like, as, or than. Here, we tell a simile related to sheep as stupid as sheep. Why we say like that? Because the sheep are graze for up to 10 hours a day and the rest and sleep the remainder of the time. Okay. When the cold season we want to wear woolen clothes. Where do we get woolen? You know that? Yes, the wool is taken from the sheep. See children, do you know a simile related to sheep? It is as stupid as a sheep. Sheep are not stupid. They are known to grass for up to 10 hours in a day and rest and sleep the remainder of the time. It may appear that they are lazy, but are they? Have you wished you could lie in the garden fields like sheep and laze all day? Find out what the sheep has to say about. Now, see the first stanza of the poem. Lazy sheep, pray tell me why in the pleasant fields you lie, eating grass and daisies white from the morning till the night. Everything can something do, but what kind of use are you? The author asked the sheep why they lie on the pleasant fields by eating grass and daisies from morning to night, and also asked what was the use of doing that. See the second stanza of the poem. Nay, my little master, nay. Do not say so, I pray. Don't you see the wool that grows on my back to make you cloths? Cold and very cold you had be if you had not wool from me. Here, nay means no. Okay. The sheep requested not to say so because the wool that grows on its back, it used to make clothes during winter. During winter. See the third stanza of the poem. True, it seems a pleasant thing to nip the daisies in the spring, but many chilly nights I pause on the cold and dewy grass or pick a scanty dinner where all the open land is brown and bare. Here the sheep also said that they eat daisies, they eat daisies and uh, they eat daisies in the spring, so they will have a scanty dinner during winter, where the land is brown and bare. Here, nip means. Nip means, what is the meaning of nip? To pull off by biting. And also scanty means barely enough. Barely enough. Next, see the last stanza of the poem. Last stanza of the poem. Then the farmer comes at last when the merry spring is past and cuts my woolly coat away to warm you in the winter's day. Little master, that is why in the pleasant fields I lie. Once the spring is over, once the spring is over, the farmer cut its wool from its back. Cut its wool from its back so that we can keep warm ourselves in the winter days. That's all the poem, children. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet you in the next class.